Ian. Last week we had the Veterans Day ceremony put on by the Social Studies Department, and it was a lot of fun. Let's take a look.
Eagles, remember anime club takes place before school in the library every Tuesday morning for 6th grade and Wednesday mornings for 7th and 8th grade.
Also, Polygon Monopoly fans, board games will take place in the library every Thursday morning for all grade levels. Anyone who's interested in either club can join it on.
This Friday will be an early release day, so make sure you catch the bus or arrange for an early parent pickup. Next week will also be Thanksgiving break, so don't come to school on Monday.
This Thursday, the cafeteria will be served up their famous turkey dressing. Let's take a look at what's on the lunch menu for the rest of the week.
Now on to the weekly student spotlight.
I am thankful for my band team, well not teammates, but my people that I play with in band. They've helped me a lot growing, playing my trumpet and instruments. They helped me a lot. And we all think of each other as family.
I'm thankful for my family.
My health. I'm thankful for this beautiful school for teaching me, helping me graduate and become something big and successful.
Probably get any schoolwork that I didn't do done. Relax, sleep, eat lots of food, like normal people. Yeah, like normal people.
Turkey, have some pumpkin pie, have just fun playing board games and spending time with the family.
I'm going to actually take a break. I never take a break, but I'm going to actually take a break this year. I'm going to just stay home and relax and enjoy my family and be outside as much as I can.
Well, thank you for your time. Bye, Eagles!
Lastly, on to sports.
Thank you for tuning in to ENN.
Since there's no school next week, there will be another episode of ENN until December 6th. Until then, y'all be safe and have a happy Thanksgiving.
Bye, Eagles.
Bye, Eagles.
All right, we're back, guys.
I'm ready to attack again.
Give me a spring break, so don't come to school on Monday.
This Thursday, I messed it up. Right, every Thursday morning for girls. Oh, wait, why did I say for girls?
You created the Love It dollar. Can I
need
Love It dollar?
You don't even go to data.
I know. I don't even know who Mr. Lovett is.
It's an 8th grade teacher.
You don't even know about
You know Mr. Lovett because of my
Think
sister, as well as the
think
fact that
Mr. Lovett's the one with the Mac lab.
Yeah. Well, now I got my very own Love It dollar, guys.
Short of